So at Slow we plant everything you eat. So today we're going to teach you how to plant an avocado tree. Okay, this is my avocado. So I'm going to remove the pit. And I'm gonna clean it. And then I've got some nice little toothpicks here, which I'm going to place inside the avocado. And then this avocado, I'll just place it on top of the water in a nice glass. And you can water this every 2 days. Then gently, the avocado will start looking like a little sprout is coming out. That means you're on the right way. And when the leaves come out, then you can plant it. And to know where to plant it, depending on where you live in the world, you can check online. And then you'll have a nice avocado tree. Thank you.